Hi, I'm Will Barnes, and as UAS Service Lead, I lead the drone side of the business within Fraser Nash Consultancy. Airwards is focused on recognising innovative and responsible drone use that's having real impact in the world, and I think this role is hugely important. This year I was really moved in many cases by entrants from around the world, and I really look forward to seeing more next year. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Airspace Management category in the Operations group. And the winner is Cranfield University with their submission of the National Beyond Visual Line of Sight Corridor, or NBEC. So well done to them.
Hi, I'm Alex Williamson and I'm the Unmanned Aerial Systems Manager for Cranfield University and Airport. I'm delighted to receive this award on behalf of the NBEC Consortium, which includes Thales, Blue Bear and Vodafone. NBEC is an important initiative. It's helping demonstrate how unmanned aircraft flying beyond visual line of sight can integrate safely with existing airspace users in non-segregated airspace. This is a key capability that the drone industry needs in order to unlock many applications. Thanks again.